here at the Woofer Porn Palace, we make woofers for you because you don't like going to church. So this is for Richard. So he called me a liar and said that I tried to trick him, and then he used racial slurs, which of course, because I'm white, I don't give a shit. So black people can do the same thing, but they don't, right? Like if you say the term the N-word, right? In order to know what that term phrase means, the N-word, you have to have used the N-word in your own life. It's amazing. It's amazing how that works out. Louis C.K. also does a great bit on it. It's great. It's like, don't make me say it in my head. So I'll post the thing. I love Louis C.K. He's such a wonderful human being. Jacks off in front of people, but you know, whatever. We all have our thing. Oh, by the way, go check out his new special, which is only $5. And it is, again, why this guy is not more famous, I have no idea. But it's wonderful. I'll send you a link. But anyways, this is for Richard. He should be here in, I don't know, by 7, which is probably 10, 20 minutes from now. But I inadvertently gave him 2 of the 20-spoke copper head audio 10s, and one was a double stack and one was a triple stack. I wasn't paying attention. I take full responsibility for my mistake, but I told him, I said, hey, keep these, try them out, you know. If you flip them, that's even fucking better. So, but nope, instead he got mad, and he I don't know, man. I think he's got a really dysfunctional relationship with his girl. But again, it's not my place to say anything about somebody else's relationship. So I will say that I make woofers and I try to help people, and that I sat down with him for several times for more than 20 minutes talking story, just trying to, know him as a person and trying to help him, escape the poverty that we're all in together. So I'm in poverty too. I'm just a different level, but I'm trapped in this fucking house and I got to figure out a way to get out. So, but anyways, I show this because it's a fucking great woofer. And of course my benefactor, Mr. Delgado, ordered 2 of these in, Grimace Purple, which it was great. I was like, most people think of a menage a trois as pleasure, but he's going to have the Grimace twins pumping his eardrums, so it's going to be great. But I'll make another video about that. But I love you guys. Stay underground. Por ganzo!